create Telegram account without phone number. If you want to create a Telegram account without a phone number, if I open up my Telegram application, the first and foremost thing they will ask is for me to enter my phone number. And without a phone number, it is not possible for us to create an account. So you can see no option to use an email addresses or whatever else. Now in this case, even if you do not have a real, virtual or a physical phone number, what you can still do is you can make use of a virtual phone number. There are many platforms out there that offer virtual phone numbers. So one of those platforms is called Numero. So you can download the Numero app from your Play Store or App Store, and basically they provide all of the solutions to using a virtual phone number. Some of them could be paid, some of them could be free, and you can use a virtual phone number. But without a phone number, whether it's virtual or real, you will not be able to get past Telegram's verification. So I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.